Welcome to this meditation focused on the Root Chakra, or Muladhara Chakra. The Root Chakra is located at the base of your spine and is your foundation, responsible for feelings of safety, security, and connection to the earth. We will work with breath, sound, and hand gestures, mudras, to activate and balance this energy center, helping you feel grounded and secure. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either cross-legged on the floor or sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Take a moment to feel the surface beneath you. Allow your body to relax into it. Inhale deeply, feeling the support of the earth beneath you. And exhale, releasing any tension. Take a few more breaths like this, each inhale grounding you deeper into the present moment, and each exhale releasing stress and tension. Now, bring your attention to the base of your spine, the location of the root chakra. As you breathe, imagine a red light glowing here. With each inhale, feel this red light expand and grow stronger. With each exhale, imagine any tension or worry melting away, grounding into the earth. We'll now use a rhythmic breathing pattern to enhance this grounding energy. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 4, and hold for 4. Feel the deep connection with the earth as you continue to breathe in this way. The energy of the earth is rising up to meet you, anchoring you with stability. To awaken the energy of the root chakra, we will now chant the seed mantra, Lam. This sound resonates with the Muladhara Chakra and promotes feelings of safety and grounding. On your next inhale, chant the mantra, Lam, as you exhale. Lam, lam. Let the sound vibrate at the base of your spine. Repeat this with me 3 times, or as many times as you feel comfortable. Let's begin. Inhale. Now hold. Exhale. Lam, 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 lam. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Lam, 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 lam. Hold. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Lam, 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 lam. Hold. Great job. Now let's bring our attention to the hands. Place your hands on your knees and form the Prithvi Mudra by touching the tip of your ring finger to the tip of your thumb with the other 3 fingers extended. This mudra connects you to the earth element and enhances feelings of stability. Breathe deeply here, feeling the connection between your hands and the energy of the earth. Allow the grounding sensation to spread throughout your body. Let's try 2 rounds. Begin. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Lam, 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 lam. Hold. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Lam, 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 lam. Hold. Now, let's move into the Muladhara Mudra. Interlace your fingers, leaving your index fingers extended and touching, pointing upward. Let your thumbs touch gently, forming a triangular shape. Rest your hands near your pelvis and focus on the base of your spine, inviting the grounding energy of the root chakra to stabilize your entire being. While holding this mudra, visualize yourself as deeply rooted in the earth. Imagine roots extending from the base of your spine, deep into the ground, With every breath, feel your connection to the earth growing stronger. You are supported, safe, and grounded. Let's do 3 rounds. Inhale. Now hold. Exhale. Lam, 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 lam. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Lam, 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 lam. Hold. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Lam, 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 lam. Hold. As we prepare to close this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for creating this space for grounding and healing. Know that whenever you need to feel stable and connected, you can return to this meditation or simply focus on your breath and the root chakra's energy. When you are ready, slowly release the mudra and bring your hands to your heart in a prayer position. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Now that you've mastered the technique, you can advance to intermediate root chakra meditations. Wishing you joy and positivity.